Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new user account on a Windows 10 PC using the control panel. Whether you're setting up an account for family or guests, this guide will walk you through it. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel, then press Enter to open it. In the Control Panel window, click on User Accounts. If you don't see User Accounts, go to the top right corner. Click on View By and change it to large icons. Now click on Manage Another Account. You'll see a list of existing user accounts on your computer. At the bottom of the window, click on Add a New User in PC Settings. This will open the Settings window in the Family and Other Users section. Under the Your Family section, click on Add a Family Member, then enter their email address and click Next. After that, choose whether you want them to be an organizer or a member. Organizers have more control over the family settings, while members have limited access. Click Invite to send them an invitation by email. And that's it. Your new user account has been created and is now ready to sign in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.